Alright, so we have some stuff to get through. We have a replacement for the Tengen 2x2, the Ready Cube, the Killer Minx, not Kibber Minx, and the Ready Minx. Let's open them. Alright, so here's my Tengen 2x2, and as you may know, the corner stock broke. So this is my replacement, so what a box. Right, so as we know, I know what's in here, so we have the parts box, that's like springs and stuff. So let's just open this. So I know usually this would be like the most exciting bit, but I already know what to expect. I'm just gonna try to get this out. Come on. This here. Wow, it's really wet on the outside. Whoa. Well, that's quiet. A lot quieter than this. So much quieter than this for some reason. Listen to this. And now this. Alright, it is really wet though. So I'm just gonna get a towel. Wow, I'm gonna have to try this with the golf towel I use for the YJU long when okay. Yeah, it's a really good 2x2 and obviously has just ridiculous corner cutting. Just really good 2x2, so yeah, that's all I can say about it. And I guess I can be excited for practicing 2x2 again. So, alright, that wasn't that exciting to be honest. So yeah, it is 50mm, so yeah. Definitely not Corona. Alright, let's move on to the Ready Cube. Wait, actually. There's a sticker, I might even leave that on just to distinguish it, but okay. Alright, the Ready Cube. Here we go. Oh, this one's also wrapped in plastic too. That's interesting. So let's take the plastic off it. By the way, all these cubes costed about just under 70 bucks. So 70 Australian bucks that is, so I don't know how much that is in US dollars. You can probably search that up or something. Here we go. Let's open it up. Here you go. So here's the Ready Cube. Now this is a pretty, oh, it turns really nicely as well. And oh, I don't know if you could really do speed solves on this, but whatever. So what this puzzle is essentially is it's a corner turning puzzle now. So it turns on the corners and it moves 3 edges with it. And then here, I might even scramble this up. I might even do a solve video. So I'll just scramble this up for you. And this is, I think, Moyu, so yeah, this looks like a pretty fun puzzle to solve, so yeah, I'll just scramble it up now. Turns pretty interesting. And I'll just make this. So, let's see, how do I solve this? So I maybe probably solve all the corners. the commentary. Alright, yeah. That was a really fun puzzle, so highly recommend this because it's a really fun puzzle to solve and it's made by Mario. And actually it turns pretty well. Bit wobbly, but who really cares? So let's move on to the Kibiminx, or Killaminx as I would like to call it. So what this puzzle basically is, if you think of the Megaminx, it's basically a 3x3. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 layers. So the Kibiminx is a 2x2 because it has 1, 2 layers. So let's open this up. Oh goodness, I forgot to bring scissors. I have to break into this tape. Wow. Let's bring it out. This is a pretty interesting design. Now it also has ridges. So, ooh. Ooh, very scratchy. Doesn't turn the best, but who really cares? So yeah, this might be a fun puzzle to solve, but I'm not gonna solve it now. Ooh, corn cuts, not bad. It's very scratchy, and yeah, it's probably gonna be really fun to solve. So I might leave that for a separate video because I don't think I have time in this video. Yeah, it does have ridges, which is pretty interesting, but whatever. So yeah, I really recommend this puzzle as well because I do believe it will solve kind of just like the corners of a regular Megaminx, and it's more dodecahedral goodness. So yeah. Alright, let's move on to the Readyminx. Oh no, not more tape again. Oh jeez. Oh my god, I really need to be more careful. I should have bought scissors. Alright, so this is the Readyminx. And looking at it, it just looks like a piece of art. Oh. This is nice. Doesn't really turn. That was a little bit sluggish in there, but it should get better over time. So what is this puzzle? It's essentially like a Ready-Cube and a Megaminx or a Kibiminx had a baby. They create this. This is a dodecahedral puzzle, kind of like the Kibiminx, but it turns just like a Readyminx. When you turn this corner, you have this edge, and this edge that turns with it, which is really cool. So you can kind of do cycles like that. And this doesn't really turn the best, but who really cares? I can kind of do... How could I do this? Maybe I could go like this, just to show you that they really do turn the same. Oh, it's really stiff though. There you go. So you can kind of see they kind of do the same cycles. So yeah, this could be a really fun puzzle to solve, but that could be for another video. Alright, that's it for today's unboxing of the replacement Tengen 2x2, the Killaminx, and the Ready-Cube, and the Readyminx. So, thanks for watching. I really enjoyed it, and see you next time.